Morning, sir. Welcome to Chef. At table 4. Do you have any reservation? May I have your name, sir?
Gate pa lang.
For a while, I'll just check your reservation. This way, please, Mr. Our waiter will be with you in a short while. Excuse me, sir. May I?
Sir, I'm Kyle and I should be your order taker for this day. May I present to you our menu? Sir, I'll be back to take order after 3 to 5 minutes. Excuse me, sir. If you're ready, may I now take your order?
Yes, my order are smoked salmon, Caesar salad, and 4 season pork beef.
Would you like to try our best seller, sir?
No thanks.